Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are part 2 of teacher appreciation gifts slash appreciation for the bus driver. So we're going to use some products, not that one. We're going to go ahead and use the gift card bag die from Pretty Pink Posh. We're going to use the big bus from Simon Says Stamp. And then we're also going to use the number 2 pencil from the Stamp Market, the stamp and die set. So I might bring in some other products, or I might do my own little thing in Cricut Design Space for this one, or maybe both of these. But anyway, we'll see how that will pan out. Since we're doing 3 cards, in order to expedite the time, I'm going to go ahead and die cut everything off camera, and then we will assemble it together. All right, so I got everything all die cut out, and really this is going to be just a time to assemble. So let's start with this one. We'll start with the bus. Actually, I don't think I need a card base for that, so I'll put that away. So I went ahead and cut out the bus, and I left a little bit at the top there so I can, you know, turn this into a card. But of course I need it to be a yellow bus, so I went ahead and did that. And I need my tweezers and my picker-upper tool. Okay, so I just wanted to do a lot of this off camera because this is going to take some time to get done. So we're going to go ahead and put that on there like so, and line that up at the bottom because the top is going to be exposed just a little bit because I had to move that die down where that crease was, right? So I have a sentiment that I ended up using my Cricut, and I just put "you're the best," right? And so we're just going to go ahead and start to assemble our card, and we'll do the wheels first. So I just used some very light pastel colors just to be a little different here. There we go, and there we go. Now we have the smaller ring for the tire, so we'll just get that on there, and then we'll just add some glue here on the inside and pop that in there. And we'll do the same thing for the other side. Okay, so now we can get that on there. I'll just go ahead and add some glue. Perfect. Okay, so now, oh, I do have this, and I actually was going to use this is for the headlights, and I was going to use my Copics to color it so I didn't have to get out some yellow cardstock to cut this out. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit that with my Y13 and just go ahead and give that a good color in. And then this is going to go, I think, like so, right? So we'll just put a little bit of glue on there. We don't need a lot. Okay, there's that. And then we need the taillights. Okay, so now we have our pieces for the door. Although I think what I want to do is, let's get this on here first. I think that's the best plan of action. Okay, so I need the other windows on first to see how far back the door needs to go. So we have 2 of those. This one goes about right here. I wish there was little embossed areas or debossed areas so that way I can kind of figure out if they're straight and, you know, they're in a good location. Okay, I think that looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and glue these down real quick. Okay, now that I have that glued down, I'm going to go ahead and add my little stop sign, which is the last piece from the die cut, and then we'll add our sentiment as well. we go. Okay, so there's that, and then I went ahead and weeded this out and added transfer tape, and then we will put, this was a little tiny, but that's okay, and then we'll put the sentiment, "You're the best." Okay. Okay, so there is card number 1 for the bus driver. "You're the best." Love how that turned out. What do you guys think? So cute. Okay, so there's card 1. We'll go ahead and put that over there now that that one's done. Okay, so card 2, I went ahead and everything's all die cut. So I ended up using that Pretty Pink Posh. Oh no, I think I lost my little dot to my explanation, or my I knew I was going to lose it too. Oh, there it is. Okay, don't want to lose that. That's my little dot I need. Okay. So I went ahead and used my Cricut to cut out the shadow layer and the word "thank you," but I went ahead and used my Pretty Pink Posh gift bag, and I thought it'd be kind of cute to put that on there, and then I'll put a gift card in there. So let's get some tape runner. Actually, if you guys remember from my back to school, first day of school craft video, I bought these cardstocks, so I thought it's kind of cool to bring them in and use them for the last day, well, the appreciation gifts, right? So we'll just add some liquid glue. I wonder, yeah, we'll just do it to all of it. And then there's that. Okay, so I'm going to kind of fold that in, and then I'll just do one of these numbers. Here we go. Okay, I think that looks good, right? Just a straight. Perfect. So I'm going to push that down. And oops, you know what? I don't want to pull it up too fast. So creates this little gift bag. I love it. And you could double it up and actually create a small gift bag, which I didn't want to, but I thought it'd be kind of cool to put that in there and then write a little, a little something on the inside. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the thank you. I used some glitter cardstock. Again, I just used my Cricut, scaled it, because the dies that came with the gift bag set, I just wasn't really vibing with that, with what I wanted. So that is why I went ahead and just used my Cricut to create this. And I thought it needed an offset layer, or a shadow layer, if you will. And so I just went ahead and did that. So let me get this glued down real quick. Okay, went ahead and glued on the thank you, added some foam squares to the back of this, and then I am going to put that, I think, right about there. Awesome. And then I'll put some tissue paper in there, and I'll go ahead and, write something on the back of my card. Looks like I just need to glue that down just a little bit. There we go. Okay. What do you guys think? I love the pattern on pattern. I think that's so pretty. All right, let's move into our last card. Okay, our last card, we ended up using from the Stamp Market the pencils. This is going to be for the teacher's assistant. So once again, I'm going to go ahead and I like to use my tape runner for this. What side do I like? Are they both the same? Yeah, they're both the same. I love that. And I figured I'd bring in this piece to kind of offset it a little bit, just to kind of give it a little something, and then I'll just go ahead and pop this up on some foam tape, and I think that's what we'll do. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, I went ahead and added some foam tape to the back of this, and then we'll just get this on our card base. There we go. Okay, so now we have our little pencil box that I actually need to glue down. Okay, and we'll just plop that on there like so. Just a smidge. Okay, perfect. So then we'll have our pencils, and we'll just put them in rainbow order. So we got pink, we got orange, and I just use my Copics to color it. Orange, yellow, green, and blue. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get those glued on real quick. I have my pencils all set and glued, and I'm just going to go ahead and add glue to this. You could pop it up if you wanted to, but I didn't want to, or don't want to, I should say. And then I'm just going to pop that on there. I think I may need to bring in my, I need to shift that up a little bit. Oop, 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 oop. Don't do it. Yeah, I think that looks good, actually. Well, is it good? Awesome. Oh my gosh. Love, love, love this. All right. So I think I want to add some sequins to each of my cards. I'm going to go ahead and add that, and then we'll take a look at everything that we did in the video. I went ahead and added some sequins to each one. So let's take a look at the first one we created, which was the bus. And I went ahead and just added some yellow sequins to it. I did 3 sets of 2 on there, and I love how that turned out. I actually think I am going to add some glue accents. I want to add it to the stop sign, so I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. And you won't see how it's going to look now because it will be too wet and it's going to be cloudy, so that word stop that's embossed or debossed in there, it's going to be hard to see. But once it dries, you'll be able to see it, and you'll see it in the picture here in a moment because I'll take a picture and then you'll see it. So there's that one. I'm going to keep that flat, so I'm going to go ahead and just kind of pop that down there. And well, let's see. We'll see how that works. And then here's the other one that we did. Which one did we do first? Did we do this one first? Oh my goodness, I can't remember. Short-term memory, but anyways, and I added some gold disc to that, to the centers of these 2 flowers, and then I just did 2 and 3 at the top. I love that glitter to that. And then this one, I just went ahead and did some sparkly disc as well to the pencils. So there are my 3 cards that I'm going to give to the teachers. Now, and the bus driver, but my question to you all, and I need your opinion, do I give the cards at the beginning of the week or do I do it at the end of the week? I'm not sure. I guess it depends on what I'm going to put inside the card, because I want to kind of state something. I might do some gift tags to each gift. I might just do that instead and give these at the end with some gift cards at the end of the week, so that way they know that I appreciate them. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. As always, I appreciate you guys, and be sure to hit that hype button because that really does help out my channel. And also don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. All right, I will catch you all in the next Card video.
Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my mommy's channel. Bye bye.